Okay, hi TX teachers. This is just going to be a short video to get you a calendar into your blog that will actually work for the children or parents or anyone that hits your blog from an iPad or a laptop or any device really. Okay, now please notice that I am not logged in as the class blog. I've actually logged in under the TX Year 4 Gmail YouTube account. Okay, so go to Gmail, log in as your open YouTube account, not the bis.net one. Okay, and I'm going to go to the calendar. The reasons for using the YouTube account is because you cannot share the calendar in the bis.net account. It does give you some sharing options, but it will only let you share within our bis.net domain. So if anyone logs into your blog, they will see the calendar, but they won't see any events unless they themselves happen to be logged in a bis.net account. Fairly complicated, I know. Our parents don't have bis.net accounts anyway, so it doesn't really work. So we want a calendar that we share outside of bis.net, the YouTube account, if you will. Okay, so I'm going to go over here, click on my calendars, and I'm going to create a calendar for my class. I'm just going to call it 4T's important dates, and that's all you have to do. I am going to click over here, make this calendar public. Okay, and hit create calendar. Okay, and it will warn me that people will be able to search my calendar. It doesn't matter. Okay, my calendar is done, and you can see here it is. Now I'm just going to add in one date. I'm going to go to month, and the first day back is Monday, isn't it? So I'm just going to put first day back, and which calendar? Well, I want it on the 4T's important dates. There we go, and create event. There we go, there it is, it's done. Now, the calendar is created, it is able to be shared, but it's not on my blog. What I want to do is find the code that I can dump into my blog, and you'll find that by clicking on the down arrow and then going to share this calendar. Okay, now I've shared it already. Oh, I did that before, I do apologize. I'm going to go back and not share my calendar. It is calendar settings. I do apologize. Calendar settings. Here we go. So the code I need is just in the middle here, and if you dump that straight into Blogger, you'll get a very big and horrible calendar. So don't. Always click customize the color, size, and other options. Now, what do we get? Wow, this is a huge calendar. I don't want this on my blog. It's just simply too big. So I'm just going to reduce it. I might put 350 in there by 350. And let's see what we get. Yay, there we go. So that is exactly how it will look in my blog. Now, you can change the background color. I've got kind of a black-gray blog, so I'm going to see if I can match it and have something like that. Do I want a border? Yeah, I think I'm going to have a border. I don't want print, so I'm going to delete the print icon there. I think that's about it. Actually, I'm going to keep all that the same. Now, the code you need is up here. So if I just select all of that, copy it, and then the important thing is you go into Blogger. Okay, so you open up Blogger, you log into Blogger, make sure you've logged in under your class blog. Okay, it needs to be that one. So I'm going to click on this one here, and I'm going to go down to Layout. Now, in Layout is where I can decide to add my gadgets, my calendars, my labels, and everything. And I want it on the right-hand side, so I'm going to add it in here. Okay, so it isn't an option just to add, but we can use the HTML JavaScript option. add on that. I'm just going to put 4T's dates in there, and I'm just going to paste in all that code into there. I'm using Control-C for copy and Control-V for paste, if anybody is a bit confused at how I did that. I'm just going to hit save. Okay, and there it is. 4T's dates is there. I'm just going to hit save up here and view my blog. And let's see what it looks like now. Yay, we can see there that there is my blog, and I'm just going to prove to you it works just a second here by going into my iPad 2, and this is my iPad screen. So I'm going to go into my blog, which was, what was it, X4T, there we go. Oh, that's 4X's blog. Let's just change that to 4T. There we go. Okay, and you can see that on an iPad 2 it works perfectly. Now, I'm not logged in to anything on this iPad, and instantly you can see there that the first day back is there, and I've just tapped that button and you can see that it's going to come up and give me more details. I can change the month, and I haven't put any dates in for September, but you can see where I'm going with this. Thank you very much.